Namaste friends. Today we will make a quick floral mesh decoration. It is as easy to make as it looks. If you have less time and you want to decorate something nice, then this video is for you. To make this, we need orange marigold flowers, yellow marigold flowers, needle thread, stapler gun. First of all, we will take a needle and a strong thread. Now let's start with yellow marigold flowers. One by one, we will wrap the flowers from the middle of the needle so that the garland looks even. Look, our yellow garland is absolutely ready. Similarly, we will use orange marigold flowers. Just be careful while running the needle. We will make a thick and beautiful garland of orange flowers. When these two colors, yellow and orange, come together, the decoration comes to life. Similarly, our garland will be ready. Then we will staple the orange flower garland with a stapler gun in the middle of the two parts. After that, we will staple the yellow garland in the middle of the two parts. On top of that, we will staple an orange garland. Then it's time to mesh them. We have to twist the two garlands together. We have to twist all the garlands together. Similarly, our mesh will be ready. We have to make the mesh according to our length. In this way, our beautiful, quick floral mesh decoration will be ready.